race on over to Arnold's Auto Service for all your auto care needs. Arnold's Auto Service in Cabot wants to be your complete Napa Auto Care Center, backed by the Napa 12-month, 12,000-mile nationwide guarantee. We do everything from oil changes, tire rotation, AC repair, to major engine and transmission repair. The answer is yes. We perform computer diagnostics. Arnold sells all major brands of tires. Come see us for your specialty performance work. Arnold's Auto Service behind Walmart, directly across from Whit Davis.